Hi developers, in this video I am going to show you how we can download and install Android Studio. So let's begin. But before that I am going to tell you some point about it. The first one is what is Android Studio? Well, it's a development development tool. It's a development tool. Second point is totally free. And third and last point is we will use it for UI design in Android. We will use it for UI design in Android. Now let's go to browser and download it. So I'll just open my browser Chrome. You can use any browser, and here I'm going to type here download Android Studio for Windows, and then click on this first link. I click there. As you can see, download Android Studio. I click there, and here we have to accept terms and conditions. So if you wish to read, you can read. I'm not going to read it. And in the bottom here we have one checkbox. We have to accept. I accept it, and then I will click on download Android Studio. So as you can see here, our downloading has started and it will take 2 to 3 minutes to download. So let's wait for that. Android Studio has downloaded. Now I'm going to install it. How I can install it? Just I will double click on it, and as you can see here, let's wait for a minute. Okay, here it's saying welcome to Android Studio setup. I click on next, again next, here again next, and then install. So it's installing. Meantime, I would like to tell you one more thing, that is no need to install any other setup or any other tool for UI design in Android. Again, here we have to be wait for a couple of minutes because it's a heavy setup, so it will take time to install it. As you can see here, installation has completed, and then click on next button. Again finish. So we are good to download and install Android Studio setup. Now I'm going to open it. I will write Android Studio. Here it's opening. When we open it first time, it will take some time to open it. So let's wait for a while. And here we can see Ladybug feature drop 2024 2.2 version, and now it's opening. And here I can see one pop-up, so I'll just ignore it. And this one the user interface of Android Studio, and just ignore these project. Okay, and for you, when you open first time, so you will not see all these projects because I have already created. That's why it's showing for me. What you need to do, just click click on new project, and then here you can select phone and tablet, and then empty view activity, and I click on next, and just leave as it is. No need to change anything here. Just click on finish. So as you can see it, when we open Android Studio first time, it looks like this. Okay, here we have multiple directories. The first one is app. Inside app directory, we can see multiple directories are there. Mainly we will focus on this last directory, that is res, or we can call it resource directory. Inside resource directory, we have one more subdirectory, that is layout directory. Inside layout directory, we will work on this activity underscore main.xml. As we can see in the top we have multiple options. No need to think about them because we are not going to use any of them now. Okay, so just leave as it is. Just focus on this activity underscore main.xml, and here we will design our UI part. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you want to see more such videos, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Wish you all the best.